Karen from EdibleWildFood.com here, and you're looking at thyme. Many of you may be thinking, why am I doing a quick little video on thyme? Because it's technically not a wild edible plant, but I'm here to correct you. It is. A wild edible plant, by definition, are plants actually that grow spontaneously in self-monitoring populations in natural or semi-natural ecosystems. Technically, thyme is wild, and we know there actually is some wild thyme out there. For centuries, this has been used for coughs because it helps to calm spasms. It fights infections, viral, bacterial, and fungal. But how do we use it? Let's go take a look, because I've created a wild way of using it. Many people will make thyme tea and sweeten it with honey. And some people actually will purchase cough syrups that have thyme in it. Others like steam inhalations. But I'm thinking, why not take some thyme tea, which I've already sweetened with wild honey, and I'm going to make, and I decided to make Thymesicles. Yeah, Thymesicles. I know that sounds odd, but I figured there is some bug that is going around right now in my geographical area. A lot of people are getting sore throats and coughs, and I'm thinking, well, why not take all the great benefits of honey and thyme, and considering it is, well, borderline summer right now, make it into a nice cold treat. So that way, if you have a cough, chances are you have an agitated throat and you want something nice and cold on it. What better way to enjoy your medicine? Have a freezie. Very easy to do. You get these packages of freezie containers, or I guess they're called freezie tubes. And it comes with the funnel. I'm not advocating any particular brand here, but I just want to show you, look how cheap they are. Now, mind you, this is Canadian dollars, not American. And you can put anything in these. I mean, check it out. They have fruit, and you can use yogurt, anything that blue I wouldn't put in my body because I know it's food dye. But anyways, think of your favorite juice. The possibilities are absolutely endless. In any case, Thymesicles, give it a try. And let me know if you have tried it, if it actually helps with your cough, should you get one. Thanks so much for watching. And if you liked what you saw, please share on social media. And be sure to subscribe if you're brand new to my channel. Thank you, everyone, for watching right to the end.